Hi, to download music directly to SD card on your Samsung Galaxy A35, firstly make sure that SD card is inserted in your device. For that, you need to open this SIM slot, insert your micro SD card and then close the slot. And after that, when you are sure that you inserted your SD card, we just need to open any browser, for example Samsung Internet, or we can open Google Chrome. And here we need to tap on those three dots on the top and select the section downloads. After that, in this folder you'll find all of your downloaded files, and for more detailed information we can just tap the settings icon on top. Here we can choose to ask where to save files each time we are trying to save files. And now you can see this section, download location. So just tap it, and from downloads you'll need to switch to SD card if you want to download music directly to your SD card. And of course don't forget to tap down button. Now all is left is to choose a song we want to download. I'm gonna use this web page, and here select something from the list, for example this one. Let me tap it and select this option. Now let me just return back because there is a lot of advertising on this website, and here just to download now. And after that, here you'd see you'd have the ability to choose where to download this song. So as you can see, we just selected SD card, so it is displayed here. If you tap it, you'll be able to switch to your downloads, but we are interested in an SD card, so let's leave it that way. And also you can choose to enable do not show again this information, so each time save to an SD card. I'm gonna remove the switcher from here, and now we need to simply tap blue button download. And now file is downloaded. We can immediately tap to open it. Here allow and listen this song immediately. Or you can just swipe up to enable your app drawer, and here find this My Files app. And after that you need to scroll a bit till you could find your SD card information, tap it and then go in downloads. And now you should see all of your downloaded songs. So when you want to remove your SD card, don't forget to tap on three dots here and choose to unmount. And after that you can safely remove an SD card from your device. So that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like and comment, and I wish you all the best. Bye bye.